Make sure to watch until the very end of this video to discover how we can swap out regular bacon for coconut bacon, and watching until the end of this short video helps support our channel. So in less than 5 minutes, we're going to go over the top 5 vegan protein alternatives. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond. Number 1. First up, we have milk. Everybody has grown up drinking milk, and if you're switching to a vegan diet, there's lots of choices. We recommend almond and oat milk because usually they are reinforced with both vitamin A and vitamin D. As well as regular milk gives us our dose of calcium, which is great for bones, and most almond and oat milks also have calcium added to them as well. If unfortunately you are allergic to nuts and are gluten-free, then you're going to want to switch over to rice milk. Number 2. Secondly, we have chicken. Chicken is a great example of lean protein, iron, and B12 vitamins. The alternative swap for that would be something called tempeh. Tempeh is a product made from fermented soybeans. Tempeh fills all the gaps left out by chicken by providing the essential amino acids, vitamin B12, protein, and iron sources your body needs. Because of the fermentation process, it also contains prebiotics which boost your digestive health. This makes it an amazing swap because it can be used in a variety of cooking options. Number 3. Everyone's favorite food, cheese, even has an alternative? The answer? That's simple. It's vegan cheese. Vegan cheese can be made from various amounts of things such as soy, nuts, seeds, and oils. Depending on which cheese you get, it can be a great source of protein and iron. We found that it's best to be melted down and maybe use it to make a pizza. Number 4. Have you ever missed seafood? Luckily, we have a swap if you're a fan of smoked salmon. Now hear us out. Marinated carrots. Take some thinly sliced carrots and marinate them in ingredients like apple cider vinegar, liquid smoke, and extra virgin olive oil. It goes great with crackers. Obviously, we know carrots are healthy for us as they contain things like biotin, which is great for our hair and nails, as well as vitamin A, vitamin K1, and vitamin B6. Number 5. As we come to the end of our list here, we're going to address the ever so mighty bacon. Now, just like we said, try some coconut bacon. Take large flakes of coconut and marinate them in tamari, maple syrup, and liquid smoke. This makes for an excellent, healthy vegan swap. Not to mention the loss of things like nitrates found in regular bacon. Coconut flakes also contain high levels of manganese, which is amazing for bone health and your metabolism. In addition, they contain copper and iron, which help to form red blood cells. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.